Today we are going to be making mung beans cutlets or mung bean burgers. And for that we will need the following ingredients. We will need split mung beans or whatever the name is. And these are the ones. We will need rice and we'll need onion. These are the basic ingredients. We are going to also be adding some peppers, roasted red peppers. For the spices we are going to use salt, we are going to use smoked paprika. I'm going to add some granulated onion, granulated garlic powders, and I have an interesting spice that I found in my store. It's called shawarma doner kebab seasoning, but you can add whatever your favorite seasoning is to spice it up. So what we are going to do is going to be pre-soak our mung beans and then cook our rice, chop and dice finely our onion, and then we'll mix them, form our burgers or our cutlets, and then we'll fry them. The proportion is going to be 1 cup or whatever you decide. We'll go with the 1 cup. 1 cup of the ground split beans, 2/3 of the cooked rice, 1/3 of the diced onion, and then our lovely spices. Let's get started preparing everything. So we are taking a cup of our split mung beans. I have a 1/2 cup and another 1/2 cup. That's gonna be 1 portion, and we are gonna add water. I'm going to double the amount. Pour a lot of water over it. We wanna to submerge our beans and have even more water. This is because our beans are going to expand in size, so we want to allow a lot of water so that they have what to soak in. So cup. Here I'm gonna mix mine. They clumped up a little bit. And let's leave them for at least 4 hours, preferably more. You could leave them overnight. In terms of my rice, I actually have even 2 pots of rice from 2 days that are leftovers. So feel free to use your leftover rice for that. We just need it cooked, and it's pretty much just the basic rice in water and some salt. Out of the 2 cups of my mung beans, I have this much of the beans. We are going to rinse them, and then we are gonna start mashing them, grinding them. I'm gonna do it with my immersion blender. I measured the soaked mung beans in proportion to the dry ones, so I used 2 cups of dry beans, and I came out with 5 cups of soaked beans. Now let's start mashing them. So here we go. This is how our beans look like now. So I recalculated our batter again, and I'm left with 3 cups of the ground mung beans. So in summary, we pre-soaked 2 cups of dry mung beans, and we ended up with 3 cups of well blended beans. Okay, let's start adding the other ingredients in. For this quantity I need 2 25 cups of rice. Here's 1 and 2, and 25 part of our 225 translates into 1/4, plus 3/4 of our chopped diced onions. I'm gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of salt for this amount, half a tablespoon granulated onion, half a tablespoon granulated garlic, a teaspoon of my shawarma seasoning, and a teaspoon of my smoked paprika. Let's mix all this first before we add in our peppers, our roasted red peppers. It smells nice. Now we're gonna go form our cutlets. Remember last time I showed you, I'm taking my 1/4 cup spoon or scoop. I fill it with the batter, turn it upside down, and here is my same size cutlet that I'm gonna place on my frying pan. Let's move over there to fry them. Before we completely forget, let's add our peppers. I ended up using 2, which came to half a cup of our roasted peppers. Flip them when the edges are brown. You can poke them with your knife to help the heat go through evenly. When brown on both sides, take them off the stove. My temperature is medium low or medium. And repeat. Okay guys, here we have our mung bean cutlets or mung bean burgers. Let's do a taste test. The combination of spices and all the ingredients are really good, and the peppers give it a special taste. Mine are slightly sourish, so it's really special and really delicious. I hope you enjoy it.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Make sure to click the bell icon beside the subscribe button to be notified about all new videos or live stream.